You have 10 minutes.
I have a feeling some bad stuff is about to go down.
Aw, crap. You want the truth? You want the truth? You can't handle the truth! Hello, operator. Give me the number for 911. 3 simple words. I am gay. If you're gonna get mad at me every time I do something stupid, then... Damn it! Bet your sweet ass. Can I go now? Go to hell! My God, you crazy. Can you repeat the part of the stuff where you said all about things? Okay. You tried your best, and you failed miserably. The lesson is, never try. Kiss my curvy butt goodbye.